Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of DCC NIT-A. Today I am going to solve the candy division question of Codechef Starters 82. Let us take a look at the problem statement. The problem says that there are 3 friends and a total of n candies. There will be a fight among the friends if all of them do not get the same number of candies. Chef wants to divide all the candies such that there is no fight. Find whether such distribution is possible or not. Here the main work is to division of candies among all the friends equally by the chef. The input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t, denoting the number of test cases. Each test case will contain a single integer and the number of candies. Output format. For each test case, output yes if we can distribute all the candies between the 3 friends equally, otherwise output is no. In the output format we have to check that whether the given candy is equally divided among all the 3 friends without any remainder. If it is possible, then we have to put output yes, otherwise we have to get output no. You can output each character of the answer in uppercase or lowercase. Yes, let us look at the explanation. Explanation and approach. In this question, the main objective is to check whether the candies can be equally divided among all 3 friends, and if it can be divided at equally, we have to give output yes, otherwise the output will be no. There is the main work is to division of candies among all the 3 friends in equal number. The main approach is to check after division whether the remainder is 0 or not. This can be checked by using modulo operator. Candies modulo operator 3 equal to 0, then the output is yes. Candies modulo operator 3 not equal to 0, then the output is no. The modulo operator is an operator which is used to check whether there is any remainder or the remainder is 0. The modulo operator give out the remainder. Here modulo operator equal to 0 means there is no remainder, and modulo operator equal to not equal to 0, which means there is a remainder. Let us see the test cases. In case 1, when n equal to 3, here n by 3 is equal to 1. This means the all the 3 friends will get equal number of candies and remainder is 0. Means n modulo operator 3 equal to 0. So this can be easily divided among the 3 friends and the output is yes. In case 2, we can see that n equal to 4. Here n by 3 equal to 1.33 and the remainder is not 0, means n modulo operator not equal to 0. So this cannot be easily divided among the 3 friends. The output is no. In these cases, there will be a remainder 1, which means after division of 3 candies among all the 3 friends, 1 candy will be remain as remainder. In case 3, n by 3 equal to 0.6, the remainder is not 0, means n modulo operator 3 not equal to 0. So this cannot be easily divided among the 3 friends and the output is no. Let us go to the code and check the code. In the code, first we have to declare the variable to store the number of test cases and get input of test cases. Then after that we have to run a for loop. We have to run a for loop for t test cases. Declaration inside the for loop, we have to declare the number of candies and take input, and after that we have to run the main modulo function where we can check if and modulo operator 3 equal to 0, which means there is no remainder and they are equally divided among all the friends and there will be no fight, then the output will be yes, also as the output will be no. This is the problem of the solution of the problem the candies. Thank you for watching this video.